Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need power and a computer. Do that now. First, connect the iPhone to the Mac or PC and keep it plugged in. Make sure iTunes or Finder is open and updated because the software will communicate with recovery mode. Next, identify your model so you press the right buttons. Models with Face ID use volume up/down plus side button sequences. Older models use home plus side buttons. Once done, prepare to force the restart sequence without delay. Now perform the model-specific button steps. For iPhone 8 and later, quickly press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the recovery screen appears. Do not release when the Apple logo shows. For iPhone 7 series, hold volume down plus side together. For earlier models, hold home and side/top together. Keep holding past the Apple logo until you see the cable to computer recovery image. Then release and look at your computer for restore or update options. On the computer, choose Update to reinstall iOS without erasing data. If update fails, choose Restore, which wipes the device. Once the operation finishes, set up the phone or restore from backup. If the process stalls or recovery lasts more than 15 minutes, the device may exit recovery. Repeat the button sequence and try again. If the computer does not detect the phone, swap the USB cable, try another port, or use a different computer. Those hardware fixes solve most detection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.